Moomoo Malaysia has finally launched the Cash Plus feature, which allows you to currently earn anywhere between 3.5% to even 4.8% per annum. In this video, I'll be going through everything you need to know about the Cash Plus feature, such as what is it, how does it work, is it actually safe to use, and finally, I will also share a quick step-by-step guide on how you can invest in it. But before I start, do join my 10,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask any questions that you may have. So, the way how Moomoo Cash Plus works is by letting you invest in something called money market funds. Huh? What's that? Essentially, money market funds are funds that invest in low-risk, short-term financial products like certificates of deposit, treasury bills, and commercial paper. In Moomoo Cash Plus, you'll find 3 funds. 2 of them let you invest via Malaysian Ringgit, and the other lets you invest via US dollar. So, let's talk about the Malaysian Ringgit funds first. The United Money Market Fund and the Maybank Retail Money Market Fund. Looking at these 2 funds, you will see that the United Money Market Fund gives a higher return, therefore it's better, right? Not quite. That's because this is just the 7-day annualized return. If we open up both funds, we will see that over the past 1 year, both of them have given pretty much the same returns. Okay, I know there's a slight difference here, but yes, their returns are pretty close. If we look at their holdings, both funds have a similar investment strategy where they hold almost 100% of the holdings in deposits with licensed financial institutions. This can consist of fixed income securities like fixed deposits, money market instruments, and so on. They even have the same investment objective, which is to provide investors with liquidity and a regular income stream. The only main difference between these 2 funds is that the United Money Market Fund is a normal fund, whereas the Maybank Retail Money Market Fund is a Sharia compliant fund, which is perfect for my Muslim friends who are looking to invest into money market funds. Next, the United USD Cash Fund lets you invest your US dollar. And similarly, almost all of its holdings are held in deposits with licensed financial institutions. Also, you will notice that the return is a little higher than the Malaysian funds. This is because the US has a higher interest rate than Malaysia. Then you'll be like,
if that's the case, of course it's better to invest in the USD fund instead of the Malaysian Ringgit fund, right?
Well, not quite. That's because of currency fluctuation risk. If you look at the forex chart, you will see that the Malaysian Ringgit to US dollar rate is pretty much on a roller coaster ride, where it sometimes can drop by 10% and other times rise by more than 10%, like right now. So if you are just parking your money in the USD fund just to earn the extra 1% return, this volatility could easily wipe out all your gains. Hence, it's better to just stick to the fund that's relevant to your currency. For example, if you are holding your money in Malaysian Ringgit, then just stick to the Malaysian Ringgit funds. Or if you have already converted your money to US dollar and are waiting for the right time to invest, then you can invest that money into the USD fund. So then, what are the risks of investing in a money market fund? And is it even safe to use? In terms of risk level, money market funds are pretty close to other low-risk investments like government bonds, fixed deposits, treasury notes, and so on. That's because most, if not all, of the holdings have short maturities, making them a lot less sensitive to the interest rate risk. On top of that, their holdings are diversified across a range of securities and are held by big financial institutions that have a very low risk of default, unless there's a major collapse in the global financial system, of course. You can see this in their historical performance, where since inception till now, they have not had any negative monthly return. This is also the reason why money market funds are a popular asset class to grow our money, especially right now when interest rates are high. And because of that, there's currently over $6 trillion worth of money sitting in money market funds. The second risk is the risk of the platform collapsing. Thankfully, the chances of this happening is quite unlikely. That's because 1. The parent company of Moomoo Malaysia, aka Futu Holdings, is a listed company and is regulated in many countries such as Singapore, Australia, Canada, and of course, Malaysia. This means they can't anyhow do funny stuff to our money. And looking at their finances, we can see that they are pretty financially strong. Their revenue has been going up, earnings per share has been improving, and the current ratio is healthy, which means that they have enough assets to meet their short-term obligations and are not in danger of going bankrupt anytime soon. And even in the unlikely event that Futu Holdings jibaboom and closes shop, our assets are still safe. That's because 1. Clients' funds and assets are held at a custodian account, which are fully segregated from Moomoo Malaysia. And 2. Moomoo Malaysia is protected by the CMC fund, and each account is insured by up to 100,000 ringgit. But then, here's a question. Given that bank savings accounts give guaranteed interest and insure our deposits by up to 250,000 ringgit, why would anyone still park our money in money market funds, which are essentially investments, where the returns and capital are not guaranteed? That's because many banks require us to jump through hoops in order to earn their high interest. Like, you have to credit your salary in lah, spend with their card lah, things like that. If you can fulfill these conditions, great! But if you are someone who doesn't have a fixed income, like maybe you are a freelancer or a stay-at-home tai-tai, or maybe you don't use their cards, then you won't be able to earn a high interest from them. Now, of course, there are those new digital banks that let you earn a high interest without fulfilling any criteria. If you want to use them, that's perfectly fine. But if you are willing to take on a little bit more risk, then money market funds may offer you a slightly higher return. Not just that, another benefit of Moomoo Cash Plus is that the returns are accrued daily and can be withdrawn as soon as it is deposited. This is unlike most bank accounts where their interests are only paid out at the end of the month, or time deposits, where it requires you to hold all the way till maturity. Otherwise, you might lose your interest if you need to urgently get back the money before it matures. But perhaps the bigger reason as to why Moomoo Cash Plus is useful is because you are able to redeem the funds and instantly use them to trade stocks. This is way faster than having to deposit your funds from a bank account, wait a while for your funds to arrive, convert the currency. If you are using USD, wait for a while for the money to be converted, then buy your stocks. Now, here's how you can invest in Moomoo Cash Plus. First, of course, if you don't already have a Moomoo Malaysia account yet, you can sign up using my link down below and earn anywhere between 100 ringgit to 1 free Nvidia share worth 500 ringgit when you fulfill the deposit and trading requirements. Plus, you will also get to receive a 10 ringgit fund cash coupon via the launch of Cash Plus promotion. Then, once your account has been approved, you can head over to the Accounts tab. If you have a Moomoo Malaysia and Moomoo Singapore account, you have to first switch over to the Moomoo Malaysia account at the top. Tap on Cash Plus, then make sure you are in the Moomoo Malaysia account again. Tap on the fund that you want to invest in, tap Subscribe, and enter how much money you want to invest. You are able to invest with as little as 1 cent to as much as you want. Though I don't know who want to invest just 1 cent. But as long as you are happy, bro. Once you are okay, tap Subscribe, enter in your password, and you are done. Then, depending on which funds you invest in, your money will be confirmed within 0 to 2 business days, after which you will start earning a daily return on your money. And for redemption, you can again head over to Accounts, tap on Funds, then the fund that you want to redeem from. Tap Redeem, enter the amount, and you are done. Then, if you want to, you can immediately use the funds to trade stocks, IPO, and mutual funds. Otherwise, if you wish to withdraw the funds to your bank account, you can just wait around 1 to 3 business days for the transaction to be settled to withdraw your funds. So that was a quick intro to Moomoo Malaysia's latest Cash Plus feature. Hopefully, you found it useful. If you have any questions, do comment down below and I will try my best to answer them. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.